What's up, guys? It's about 5 o'clock in the morning, something like that. Heading out to Galveston for a car show. But first, we're gonna go get some fuel. There it is, guys. The Dirty Beaver. Well, cheapest place to buy fuel in Texas. So, if you've never been to Buc-ee's, this is what Buc-ee's looks like. One massive convenience store. Texas, or you've never been to a Buc-ee's, don't do it. The gas is cheap, but everything else in here is expensive, and it's a tourist trap. Trust me. Fuel's good though. Fuel's nice and cheap. Not cheap, but cheaper than you're gonna get anyplace else. Alright guys, here we go. Tank is full. Blood pressure's up. That's another thing about Buc-ee's. People lose their minds in here. Not one of them can drive. They can't back up, so they pull in. Then they can't back out of the spot because they can't see. Oh, I try so hard. Man, I hate people. Like this putz. Beaver. Thank God. I try to avoid coming here. But you do what you gotta do, right? dark, you don't need to be watching me drive. So I will turn you back on when I get there. About an hour and a half, guys. Hey guys, so we're at the show in Galveston, and you can see, about 40 or 50 cars here right now. Cars are still coming in. Got an 89 convertible there. There's Bad Pony. Got a Cobra. Got a 2010 Shelby. So unfortunately, guys, we're here at the ball field and a foul ball came over and hit the car. So now they're going to shut down the car show. It's absolutely never happened anywhere I've ever been. So I guess that's what we're dealing with. So I'm going to do a little film right here. This is actually the car that got hit. And, take some film. You know, as you can imagine, the owner's really upset, and I don't blame them. You know, and they don't want to shut the game down, so they're going to shut the car show down. Very nice car. Mustang here. Doing the best I can here. A lot of people are standing around their cars. So.
Everybody can hear me? Everybody hear me over there? All of our participants? Guys, so we already had a foul ball come over here and hit a car. So I'm going to call the event off. Everybody that brought a car in and registered, so they come over here, we'll get your information, we'll get you refunded at the ticket desk. I really hate this guy, but they can't get, you know, this is my worst worry anyway.
Why don't they just close that one field now?
That's where we're at, guys.
1, 2, 1, 2, paint.
Here you go, guys. Just standing out here. Alright, guys. Well, I guess the car show was a bust. Nobody's fault, you know. But we're gonna head out to another spot now. See what's going on there. About 45 minutes away. Chime back in when we get there.